Tesla Model Y versus Ford Explorer Street full comparison. Most people get this wrong, but comparing a Tesla Model Y and a Ford Explorer Street goes beyond just electric versus gasoline. You won't believe how different these two SUVs are in performance, features and ownership costs. Starting with performance, the Tesla Model Y long range accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, while the Explorer Street takes about 5 seconds. Tesla's electric powertrain provides instant torque, making city driving feel incredibly responsive. The Explorer Street, on the other hand, uses a twin-turbo, offering a traditional sporty SUV feel with towing capability up to 600 pounds. When it comes to range and fuel, the Model Y boasts an IPA estimated 330 miles per charge, while the Explorer Street averages around 18 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Charging infrastructure versus gas stations is an important consideration depending on your daily driving patterns. Interior and technology are also key differences. The Model Y features a minimalist cabin with a 15-inch touchscreen controlling nearly all functions, while the Explorer Street keeps a more traditional layout with dual touchscreens, physical buttons, and advanced driver assist systems. Cargo space is similar, though the Model Y offers optional third-row seats for extra versatility. Pricing varies. The Model Y long range starts around 0, whereas the Explorer Street starts around 500, making cost a wash, but if incentives and lower operating costs could favour the Model Y over time. In conclusion, the Tesla Model Y excels in efficiency, acceleration, and futuristic technology, while the Ford Explorer Street offers towing, traditional performance, and familiarity. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize electric driving or sporty utility.